He's looking up going,
He won't admit that he needs 32s.
Some more grunt.
No, he's got 33s on there. And so it scrapes everywhere every time we go over the gutter and stuff, and he won't admit that he needs 32s.
What he needs is to take a truck from the outside.
Yeah, well that's what he thinks, I think that's what he's hoping I'm going to say. God damn it, just get a new truck.
Just a bit of pace before it. Just back off for a few seconds. Oh yeah, maybe when it runs out of travel. Oh yeah. Like there.
Well, this has been a good learning thing for Lindsay then, with you boys here today.
What's that?
This has been a good learning
It's
thing
a great
for
area.
Lindsay.
You got everything. Yeah.
You know, and it's probably best that he didn't come out with a liner because she would have been a little bit more nervous. Yeah. Yeah, two boys egging him on a little bit, sort of boosts up the confidence. So.
Oh, saw a little bit of black coming out the back then too.